This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting clear consent. Ask your friend to agree to share location now, because legal and privacy reasons matter. Next, open the app you'll use. Choose built-in maps or a reputable third party for reliability. Then enable device location services, background app refresh, and any required permissions so the app can update continuously. Once done, make sure both phones are charged and on the network. Without permissions and connectivity, the tracking process cannot work correctly. You now send or accept the live location invite and follow the app prompts to add each other. When you do this, confirm identity by checking profile picture, name, and any last seen time to avoid accidental shares. Next, select how long to share. Pick a specific duration like 1 hour, 8 hours, or indefinite if both agree, because automatic expiry prevents constant tracking. Once linked, test it by asking your friend to move a few steps, so you can confirm real-time updates are arriving. You finish by monitoring the map view and checking the accuracy radius or GPS icon to understand precision. If updates seem stale, refresh the app, then toggle location services off and on, restart the app or device, and confirm permissions and network connectivity. These steps fix most issues. Make sure to stop sharing once your purpose is complete and remind your friend you have access, because ongoing consent matters. If anything goes wrong, restart both devices and resend the invite to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.